Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on really quickly and do a really quick tutorial, a little fun eyebrow tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. Now, I am starting with a eyebrow pencil, and what I do is I outline my eyebrow. I start from the top of the eyebrow and I just go a little bit above the eyebrow, like a little bit above where the hairs are, and I just gently do like a line, but in gentle strokes. You don't want to go too crazy with it because it'll look too harsh or too heavy on your eyes. So I definitely start with light and then I build up when I'm doing my eyebrows, right? Because you don't want it to look too I don't know what the word is, janky, but I definitely want to make sure that it looks really nice and natural. So now what I'm doing is I'm filling in the front of my hairs. I do go upwards, and now I'm just filling in the top and I'm just outlining everything and blending it all in. So I'm going in the natural look, like I know exactly how I like my eyebrows. I like it a little bit arched. So what I'm doing right now is I'm gently just going, I'm filling in and I'm gently just going in the direction that I want my eyebrows to go. Now there is a little bit arch because my eyebrows naturally arch, so I'm going in the natural direction of the arch. And then now I'm just filling any spots that are a little bit sparse. In the front there, I definitely use upward strokes and I try to definitely go in the direction of my eyes. Now what I'm doing here is I'm grabbing my brush and I'm going to blend it all in. I'm just blending in the pencil with the hairs to make sure, to give it that really natural look. And I go upwards where the hairs go up, and then I just go in a diagonal direction for those other hairs. Now you could take a look at the two. Tell me what you think. Do you like? Do you approve? And then I just go in with any, if I feel that there's any issues, I go back in with the pencil and I just clean up and I just add any more pencil to any areas that I feel that are sparse or that needs a little bit more defining. Now for me, this is pretty good. I'm looking, I'm inspecting, I think it's pretty good. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear your opinion. Have